Alright, welcome to another Anything Scout Driver Series video. That's what you're watching right now. Good choice. Today we have a 1979 Scout 2, International Scout 2, and we did a LS3 conversion on it. So LS full drivetrain, drivability conversion. Got a lot of good stuff to talk about. Okay, so on this particular truck, we went with the the customer went with the LS3. So it's a 430 horsepower, brand new V8 engine, crate motor, super sweet setup. It's got a 6L80, so it's a 6-speed automatic transmission. And we don't do a ton of LS3s as far as the drivability conversions go. We do a lot more used motors, but this is just a great option if you're just looking for true performance. And these also come with a 2-year, 50,000 mile warranty. So starting now, Zach, you got 2 years, man. Let it rip. But no, it's a great setup. Tons of power. Super smooth delivery. I think they get decent mileage depending on how you drive, but it's a great all-around choice. And we wrap this into just our standard drivability platform. So it's, you know, new aluminum radiator, you get new heater box rebuild, power steering rebuild. We go through suspensions, brakes, just kind of all around, making sure that when we put these motors in, it's not just that it runs great but you can't handle it or stop the power, but again, drivability conversion. So trying to wrap up everything that's involved in you and the machine and the road and making sure it all functions together. So we did, again, drivetrain. We did a kind of our Scout 2, signature Scout 2 through front runner roof rack, which is a great option for just usability. We've built some racks in the past and they're sleek and they look good, but we just found that without kind of the function of a true extruded aluminum roof rack, you almost don't use it. It looks cool, but function over form. Sorry guys. So we got that roof rack. We got a sweet step bumper with a swing arm, kind of a new thing we're exploring, taking the stock step bumper and just integrating it so you can keep your spare tire right there, making it look like it belongs, but again, function. It's key, man. We're about it. So we also, once you get into the inside, did full seats, door panels, headliner. You'll see that here. Boop, 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 boop. It's all looking good. Again, I don't know. That's your chariot on the inside. That's where you spend the time when you're driving it, right? So that's something we try not to neglect when we're doing these. Got the Retrosound stereo. Again, looks right. Looks like it belongs. It's got Bluetooth compatibility. You can hook up your iPhone. You've got an iPod. You can hook that up. Anybody got any of those anymore? I don't think so. But Bluetooth capable. You got satellite radio if you need it. I don't know if anybody uses that anymore. That's maybe too much future. It's got the Audison sub. I think it's an 8-inch sub, so you can really be jamming with your homies. Again, on the interior, we're just using stock shifters, integrating through transfer case and just the automatic shifter. So the key is we want people to hop in these things and not really know, you know, what's underneath, what they're getting into. It's all integrated, feels as it should for those guys who are used to being in a Scout. This guy owned this truck for a while before, so he got familiar with what it's like to kind of daily an all original truck, and just decided he wanted a little bit more out of it. So no harm in wanting the original stuff, but also you can't blame the guy for wanting a little bit more. So, and I think this truck's going out to Colorado, and these just do awesome. You know, you can pull grades, no problem. Tons of power, just on-demand power. Suspension, we have a 2-inch Skyjacker lift kit. Okay, so everybody asked this, but this truck is sitting on Method 701's bronze wheels. They're wrapped in a Kenda RT tire. Chef's kiss right there. They're 285/75/17, and they're sitting on 4 3/4 inch back spacing, 8.5 inch rim. All the good information. There you go, my guys. All around sweet usable truck, very drivable. Drivability conversions, man. We're trying to get these things back on the road, keep them on the road for generations to come. So thanks for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming, man. We're doing our best. Thanks.
recording. Oh my.